Hey, check this out. I just got it on Amazon. It's a rechargeable plant mister is what it's labeled as, but I thought it'd be great for the showering of the birds. Two reasons. It's put out a really fine mist, and the other reason is because I don't have to pump anymore. My finger's not going to get tired. So I thought I'd try it out on the new guy here, who doesn't really care for showers, at least at this point he hasn't. We've tried one already, but that was with the pump sprayer. So we're going to try this with a much lighter mist, and I'm not going to wear my finger out. Are you ready, Pepper? Want to give it a shot? You ready? Ooh. What do you think? What do you think? That works pretty good. I don't know if he likes it or not. What do you think? It's doing the trick though. It's doing the trick. Yes it is. What do you think, buddy? What do you think? Ooh. Ooh. Have you had enough? Want to do it again? Huh? Want to do it again? One more time? Here it comes. Here it comes. Anyway, that works pretty good. $25 on Amazon. I'll put a link down at the below the video here if you're interested in buying one. It's time to. That floor's pretty wet now. Time to hair dry. Feather dry, I should say. Now this is definitely new. I don't know if he's been around these. You ready to give it a shot? Ooh. What do you think? Huh? All right, 2 parrots to go. Okay, we got Parrot 2. This is Lucky. He's a rescue I've had about a month and a half, and he's the most mellow parrot I have. He's a little scared of stuff. But you know what? I think he probably, out of the 3 parrots, likes showers the most. But we'll find out. You want to try mist? What do you think, Lucky? You want to try? Huh? You want to try? Here we go. Ooh. What do you think, buddy? You're not going to react. You're not going to react? Yay or nay? Well, there you have it. Nothing at all out of it. You ready to do a hairdryer now? You're not even going to fluff up. All right. You ready? Okay, now we've got Cheeto. I pretty much know what's going to happen with Cheeto. Cheeto is ADHD pretty bad, and he can't sit still for anything. But we're going to give her a shot. I don't even know if we'll get the button pushed before he's gone, but here we go. Cheeto, want to try it? Ooh, what do you think? You going to make me a liar? Huh? Well, we're not getting any good reactions out of any of them, but as you can see, it really puts out a nice mist. I could do this all day long, too. But we're not going to get anything out of him either. We'll try the blow dryer. See what happens. You ready? Oh, look at that. Ooh. Okay. You can dig this, huh? Are you digging this? Are you? Look at Cheeto. Look at Cheeto. Yeah. Okay. Are we done? Okay. Do we give it a 2 thumbs up? Huh? I like it. Ready to say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.